You wanted to go to the 21? Well, hello everybody. Alright guys and gals, welcome, another new episode, and we are on Blue Ridge Parkway, right? Right. With my family, big bro. You guys don't see him and never know him, but now this is what he rides. What is it, Mike?
This is a 2017 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special.
After that's big man, you can't afford it.
So basically something I can't afford.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
All right. Then of course we're, Minion. Oh yeah. Hey, my little nephew. What do you call this thing?
It's a super low Sportster.
Super low Sportster?
Yes, sir.
Well, are you enjoying riding it?
Hell yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Guys and gals, we are going to have a good time on this road. It's, again, North Carolina, and this road in itself is just so far fantastic.
Nice.
We're going to try getting as much footage as we can. Give me a big thumbs. All right, take care. I am exploring again with my brother and my nephew, and what we're going to do, the Blue Ridge Mountain. Now, this one in what I've been able to see on the map is broken down in different parcels. What to do is right now we're on 18 North. We're heading up to, the Sparta area, but there's a section on the very top of the mountains. When we get there, we're going to turn left on that Blue Ridge Mountain. And again, after kind of talking with more locals and seeing what guys do, this is just like a normal thing that a lot of people do. So that's what our destination is today. I hope you guys enjoy. Please leave that like, sub, and all that fun stuff to keep the channel growing. And let's just have some fun, and of course ride smart, be smart. That's the whole goal today, is just to enjoy being on motorcycles and having a good time. So let's jump into it. Woohoo! We're gonna now be turning left real soon on Blue Ridge. Now again, there's two different ways, and I will do another video at another time, perhaps doing it to the right and taking that to the 21. I don't know. But until then, we're just going to enjoy, have a good time, and see what this one is all about. Yep, about to turn left now. Uh-oh. A little bit of an issue here. So you wanted to go to the 21 and then come back this way and then go that way? No, it's this. We're going to go that way towards Boone. This is towards the 21. Yeah, but the road goes that way. Watch, you'll see. This same park is on the other side.
So go back the other way?
Yeah, it's literally right there. It's a turnoff.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, here we go. This is absolutely beautiful. The only thing that I would have to say so far is I think I'm just going to have to watch for deer.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
This is where it's going to be a little tricky. Oh, dude, look at that. Wow. That's a cool little bridge right there. So far, if this is the way it's going to be like the whole way, what a absolute fantastic road to do. Holy moly. This is just fantastic. This is gorgeous. You guys okay? Okay. Is this like a little lookout? Is this like a little lookout?
Yeah, but there's not really much to see at this one.
Yeah, I was gonna say, is there more up that way?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool.
It gets better as you go.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, sweet. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna stop at all of them. Have fun. That's beautiful.
This is nice right here.
Okay, guys and gals, I think that this is going to be the end of this section of Blue Ridge Parkway. I'm pretty for sure that this is going to end this one. I will do a video later at another date from Blue Ridge Parkway from Sparta. From going to the 21, you know, and then go from there. We'll see how that goes. But guys and gals, I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you guys just thoroughly was able to maybe get you on a bike yourself to go get on this trail if you've never done it. And thank you again, guys, for watching. Please, again, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And until next time, guys, ride safe, ride smart, be smart, and don't do drugs. Alright, guys, check out my other videos as well. If you wonder why I do what I do, just check them all out. Alright, guys and gals, you take care, have a great, fun day, and we're going to end it on this beautiful bridge, clearly, and that's all she wrote. Alright, guys. Alright, bye.